In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a shareable Notion template. By the end, you'll know exactly how to let anyone duplicate your page into their own workspace using Notion's built-in publishing tools safely and confidently. Start on the Notion page you want to share as a template. Make sure it's polished and ready for others to copy, since publishing makes a web version available to anyone with the link. When you're set, look to the top right of the page and click Share. This opens Notion's sharing panel, where you manage who can see and use your content. In that panel, switch to the Publish tab. This tab is different from inviting teammates or specific emails. Publish creates a public, view-only web page. It's perfect for templates, documentation, or resources you want the wider world to access without needing to be part of your workspace. Next, click Publish to Web. Notion will generate a public link and put your page online. This doesn't expose your entire workspace, only the specific page you publish and whatever subpages you've included. From here, your viewers can open the link and read the page in their browser. To make it a true template, turn on the toggle labeled Allow Duplicate as Template. This is the key setting that adds a duplicate button to the public page, so anyone with the link can copy the entire structure and content into their own Notion workspace. They'll get their own version to edit, and your original remains unchanged. At this point, your template is live. Share the public link wherever your audience needs it, on a website, in a course, or directly in a message. When someone opens the link, they'll see the page exactly as you published it, with a duplicate button at the top right. Clicking that button imports it into their Notion account, including databases, properties, and layouts. Keep in mind that once someone duplicates your template, their copy isn't synced to yours. If you update your original later, they won't see those changes automatically, so it's helpful to communicate version updates separately if needed. A few quick tips to make your template user-friendly. Keep the top of the page clear and descriptive. Include brief instructions inside the template itself, and avoid sensitive or private information anywhere on the published page. If you ever want to stop sharing, you can return to the same share panel to change or remove publishing. That's it. Your Notion template is now shareable and ready to duplicate.